Hi, today we're going to make a tassel. So first you're going to grab your bunch of embroidery thread and fold it in half. Then grab a piece of thread about at the middle. It's about 8 to 10 inches long is how long this one is. And tie it in a knot around the middle of your folded bunch. Make sure you double knot it and tie it really tight so it's nice and snug. After that, you're going to fold the bunch in half and pull your long strings to the side. Flatten everything out. And then grab one of your threads and wrap it really tightly about 3 to 4 times around the top to make the knot of your tassel. After that, use the other part of your 8 to 10 inch thread and tie another really tight double knot to secure that. Then you're going to grab a pair of scissors and cut inside the 3 loops from where you have folded your bunch. And then straighten everything out and try to make it as even as possible. Then you're going to use your scissors and just cut and even the edges out. Make sure you rotate it so you get all the sides. And that's it. There's your super simple, quick and easy tassel. These can be used for all kinds of things. You can add them to the bottom of curtains or shirts, or you can use them to make earrings or necklaces. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed my video. Let me know if there's another tutorial you'd like to see.